What's up, guys? Today's gonna be a quick video. It's snowing really bad outside. It's a big snowstorm in the city right now, so I'm just gonna go up the block and I'm gonna shoot a roll of. I got some Portra 400, and I'm gonna shoot with the GS645W. Shoot some shots over there, and then we'll see what we get. It's pretty cold out, so I'm gonna try to make it as short as possible, honestly, because I am not trying to freeze. I kind of got my gear on already. Just gotta throw on my jacket. So I'm pretty much ready. I'm gonna go out and I'll see you guys out there. Yep, it is cold. I'm not too sure I'll be able to capture any audio because it's pretty windy. I'll see you out there. And I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna put the GoPro on top of the GS645W. Sorry, GS645W, because I don't think I'm gonna be able to actually record any footage on the iPhone. Especially audio is gonna be messed up anyway, so it's that.